In this video I'm going to show you how to paint a landscape, and this is the photo I'm going to work on. It's a photo I took at Valley of Flowers, in the place in Uttarakhand. So it has some mountains, trees and meadows, as you can see. Let's see how we can take this on a piece of canvas. So this is a camelin cotton canvas which I have wrapped around an MDF board, and as a start I'm going to make a quick sketch. So now what we have is a canvas that is split into multiple sections, and now I'm going to fill them with paint. So how am I going to do that? Let's start with the trees, shall we? I can see the trees here have quite a dark green color, and I need to choose a kind of mid-tone that will suit well for this area. I got this color called olive green here. I'm planning to use it for the trees. Let's see how it works out. This step of this painting is called blocking in. You can do this real quick, no need to make the colors completely solid. Slight variation in coloring intensity makes it look more natural. Here I'm using a old shabby round brush that is giving me a quite nice spread. I think the trees look quite fine in the olive green, so I'm gonna put the same color over there on the trees behind the meadows too. So now we are done with the trees. I'm gonna focus on the hill over there on the left. Let's just start with the same olive green again. I can see there is some slaty color on the top part of the hill, so I'm gonna mix a bit of Prussian blue and white as well. As you can see, right now I'm mixing 4 different colors: Prussian blue, olive green, white and black, and I'm gonna change the amount of each of them to add some variations on each part of the mountain. As the bottom part will be more grassy, I'll add more green there, and as the top part will be more foggy, and as it's further I'll add more white there. So now that we have covered all the mountains, we can start with the fields. So we need to use some vibrant green color for this. I'm going to choose Cadmium Lemon and olive green here. You can use some other color as well, maybe sap green or something. I'm a little bit obsessed with Cadmium Lemon when it comes to foliages. For making the sky, we are going to mix crimson lake, Prussian blue and a little bit of white. We will cover the whole sky with this color and leave the clouds a little bit lighter than the other parts. So I'm going to leave the sky like this now. Later we are going to cover this part in the end. Thanks for joining everybody. Please to like, share and subscribe. Hope you like this session. See you in the next one.